My name's Tim Leary, and I played college baseball at UCLA for 3 years, was first team All-American. I played professional baseball 15 years, 13 in the majors. Remember the 1988 World Series champion LA Dodgers. And I coached at UCLA as the pitching coach 5 years. Now I've been doing private coaching quite a bit for 3 years. Came across Joe Ardoon, 12-year-old all-star pitcher with LA Little League. And I also came across Dr. David Rubenstein, who's a PhD kinesiologist and has a mind-body calibration technique. I've seen tremendous improvement just in the one session. Joe came back the next time and was doing things that I can't teach. High-level focus, repeating his delivery, quality strikes. I was very impressed. It's hard to get anybody to focus, let alone a 12-year-old. The average kid, they might work with me for 30 or 40 minutes, and sometimes you may only get 5 minutes of focus, but this is a technique that actually allows them to feel grounded within their body, and so they're going to be able to focus and utilize tips. One session, I could see changes. It won't necessarily apply to strategy of baseball, but it'll apply to repeating your physical performance. And it's an ongoing process, so as we go, I'll learn more.